There's a little thing. There's a mystery surprise. There's a lot of squishies. They're like squishies, but they smell lovely and yummy. So they give us the bites. Violet, if you open them, I can't open mine. I can't open mine. They're harder. These are harder to me too. I think that was easy.
Are you trying to open it? You got it? Almost. Are you there?
There's two.
Whoa, 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 we got two sides.
Get off.
There's more?
Yeah, there's two. Oh my gosh, there's three. There's four. They really don't want you to peek.
It's supposed to be a surprise one, isn't it?
Big surprise.
What is it? Is it like a plush doll?
A poo-poo.
It's opening up. Let's see what it is.
This side is opening. Open it. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think I know what it is. It hasn't. It's probably the mystery one. I don't know which one it is, but I think it's the mystery one.
Which one do you think it is?
The mystery surprise one.
It is. I think you got one last side. Oh, look, Violet's opening hers. Let's see Violet's real quick. What is it?
It's number 2 ring, but I had a face right there.
Can I see it?
Let's see. Is that a maple syrup?
Is that a maple syrup?
The second in this. She got this one. She got these.
Let's see which one that
She got
is.
this one. I got this one. I got this one.
Huey, Dewey, and Louie.
And actually, I got this one.
All
I
right.
got this one.
You did?
Yeah.
Huey, Dewey, and Louie?
Let's see. What is the other thing that you got?
I got that another face.
And what's the other thing?
Nothing else. Oh, this. I can put syrup.
You put syrup on it. Are they little beignets?
Bin.
Like at Tiana's place?
I like Tiana. Are we gonna get those beignets from Tiana's place?
So they're pastry puffies, and you put the syrup.
Baba.
They're what?
Baba, the
Pastry
nothing.
puffs.
Pastry puffs.
The nothing. Yeah.
I think your sister is getting ready for hers. Bum 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 bum. What is
Oh,
it?
I got candy. Oh,
Candy.
it's not even opened yet. Oh, it's had
What is that, Violet?
a face on it. That's mine.
There you go.
I got that.
Is that a watermelon, a cherry, a strawberry? What is it?
It's strawberry.
A strawberry.
I knew it.
You knew it.
Mommy, I knew it.
All right, guys.
It's a doggy. It's a doggy.
It's a skunk.
No, it's not a skunk. It's the flower. Yeah, I know how to flower on it.
It's flour chocolate swirl roll. Pastry puff trio.
I'm gonna put some.
All right, guys. You ready to smell it? What does it smell like, Vivian?
Doesn't this smell like anything? Darling, does it smell like anything?
They don't smell like anything.
Yeah. I mean nothing.
Oh. Oh, the other ones are the ones that
The other
smell.
ones smell.
Whoops. My bad. You guys like those?
But they do smell good a little.
Are they cute?
Let me see yours, Vivian. It's so cute.
Candy.
It's super squishy.
It's cute.
Super squishy. It's a candy. Is it soft? Ooh,
That's
it's
super squishy.
super greasy.
And this one's super squishy too.
Super squishy.
They had two.
Squishy.
They had two.
Two.
Yeah. I think you gotta miss yours. No, mine they had two.
That's 5
Mommy,
fingers.
no.
That's 2.
I-
Like this. That's 3. Two. Or you can just do it this. These 2. These fingers. Vivian.
Bunny ears.
Bunny ears.
Good. Oh, I should. No, my should.
That's what we're gonna
They're
do.
super squishy.
Let me see yours, Vivian.
They had cheeks like me.
It's cute.
That has cheeks like you?
Yeah. They had cheeks like mommy.
Aww.
That's Vivian.
Alright, guys.
Open.
You like them?
Eat all of it. Don't eat all of it. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.